Hey, welcome back. Today I'm kind of excited a little bit because I kind of have an idea of what I want to do. About half the time I come in here, I know what I want to do. About half of that time it actually works out to what I want to do. Another half I'm just, I don't know, I'll just get going and see what comes of it. Today I've got a burl of some kind, or burr as you lads across the pond like to say. I don't know if it's elm. Kind of looks like it, but I don't know. It's pretty anyway. But I'm going to make something out of it. It's pretty cool, I think. Well, I can tell you what it is. You have to wait to see. Unless you fast forward to the end. Or, in case I put it in the description. Might not. Might give a hint, but I'm not going to give it away. You have to look ahead or watch the whole thing. Anyway. It's kind of a cool idea, I think. Hopefully it works out alright. We'll see. Well, I will say, I will give you a clue. I'm going to try to make a box, and it's the first time I've ever tried, so as I'm fond of saying, wish me luck. My shield's falling apart. Ah! I'm going to pause for some technical difficulties. Be right back. I'm back. Slight wardrobe malfunction. We're good to go now. figured it out yet? I'm not telling. Well, I think this is the third or fourth coat. Starting to think maybe a nice, good, shiny finish is just not in the cards for me. I don't know, it's not looking too bad, but I didn't want you to have to sit through all that, or, I mean, let's be honest, fast forward through all that, so figured I'd spare you from the other coats. I know I said in another video and heard get a better polish going slow with this, but I guess I'm too impatient. It just wasn't working. It's taking longer than I thought to do it quickly. It's hard to build up any heat when it's going slow. Yeah. It's getting there. Maybe I'll try another coat or two. Maybe it's just soaking in. It's wood's been around a while. Maybe too dry. Who knows? I'll be back. Alright, well, I think that finish is as good as it's gonna get. There's just some parts of that grain that just won't take it for some reason. Maybe I can figure something out later. I'm doing that a lot. Figuring things out later. Seriously, does anybody want a dog? Not this one. Can't have that one. You can have that one, the neighbor's dog though. Clean that up with the sander. Good to go. Alright, so I got the lid done. Let's see if I can do the actual box, see how that turned out. Still not real sure about this one. Cuts really well, but man, it's grabby. I ride the bevel, barely tilt it till it starts cutting. It likes to grab. that's it. That's it right there. Just wish that would have shined up better. Alas, we will make it work. Figured it out yet? No, I'm not telling. Alright, so we'll let that dry overnight, I guess. I don't have a pressure pot, so there's probably going to be bubbles in it. That's okay. It'll work for now. See you tomorrow. Well, that's not exactly what I'd planned. I'm assuming it's because I'd already hollowed it out. Tried to hold it here with the chuck jaws. I guess it's too thin. You know, when I hit the resin, I don't know, maybe it wasn't going fast enough. I didn't dig in at all. I was going pretty slow, I think, taking light cuts. But did not work out. Maybe I can glue it together. My idea was it was going to be somewhat of a spaceship box. I know most sightings of spaceships have blue lights coming out the bottom. This is not a rocket motor because, I mean, let's face it, they're smarter than we are. They're not going to use rockets. But I know they mostly have blue lights, they say. But I'm from Tennessee, so my light's orange. And no, that's not what caused it to blow up either. I don't know. Epic failure. But to be fair.
To be fair.
This was my first box. So it was fitting until I hollowed out too much and it's too loose anyway. I think I'm gonna glue it together and see if I can snag it. The lid didn't take a shine very well, so I'm gonna try some sand and sealer on here and then the OB shine juice. This definitely turned out better with the sand and sealer. I may try that on the top real quick. Alright. A little better. I don't know if the burl is just not taking it well or what. Or maybe it's just me. It didn't turn out as bad as I thought it was going to. I mean, considering everything it went through. It's not too horrible, I guess. Not too much of a box. It's pretty shallow and the lid's not very tight, but somewhat interesting, I guess, maybe, possibly. Different anyway. Can you even see that? Was I holding it too far? I guess it didn't turn out as disastrously as it had tried to be. Can't really see the orange light very well. I intended it to be a little taller, but I guess I didn't hollow deep enough. Oh well. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. It was a disaster, but I think I salvaged it. So, hope you come back. Hope this was at least a little bit entertaining.
Are you not entertained?
And I'm not going to ask you to like, subscribe, comment, because you know how YouTube works. If you want to do it, you're going to. If you don't, you're not going to anyway. So, I won't pester you. But I do hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was somewhat entertaining. I don't think it turned out too bad. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.